Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum. We're walking through the Brava in Houston, Texas, their penthouse. This is penthouse 1, utterly gorgeous. I mean, it's got the kitchen you want, it's got the entertainment space that you need for clients, for guests, for family, and it's got the views, of course. We're gonna see those, but look at this kitchen. The kitchen's amazing. The lighting, the beautiful quartz countertops, the appliances, the gas, the island. It's just stunning. And then you've got those views. The views are out here. How amazing. Really very, very large patio. We'll take a look at that. And then you got a really nice fireplace here. This would be perfect to have a very nice size party. You've got bedrooms that are over there and then over here. And then you've got a study over there too as well. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, wait till you see this. Now we're out on the balcony, and these are your views. Houston is yours. 45th floor, Houston is yours. You've got some spectacular views of Houston, and you've got a large balcony to enjoy them with. If you like what you're seeing, send me a text. This goes directly to my cell phone. I'll respond super quick. This isn't AI, and this isn't software. It's me. I'm going to respond and get you the information you need. There's no one that knows penthouses like I do. I love working with clients that enjoy a great penthouse. So send me a text. Can't wait to hear from you. But now we're actually going to go explore the bedrooms of this penthouse 1 at the Brava.